Hello learners, my name is Ibrahim T. Adeyenka. You are welcome to Taba Digital Technologies. Today we want to start our journey on website design. We are going to learn how to create websites step by step. So I want us to follow every bit of this training, and I believe at the end of the training you will be able to beat your chest that you are a programmer. You'll be able to build fantastic websites. Now, what are those things that are needed to start the journey? The first one is your device. It can be your laptop, desktop, and don't even be surprised, some people design websites on phone, so you can use any mobile phone. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using laptop. The other thing you will also need on your device is a text editor. That is where you are going to write your code. The smallest text, we have so many text editors, but the smallest text editor on every system is Notepad. I believe you are all familiar with Notepad. When you open the Notepad, you can type your code, then save on your system. So this is the Notepad. Can you see it here? There's another text editor. This is Notepad++. I installed this on my system. There's another one here, Sublime. So Sublime is another text editor. This one is advanced one. This is also advanced one. But the smallest one that will come with operating system is Notepad. So I will start the class with Notepad. Then later we advance to this Sublime. But they give the same thing. Okay, let me open this. Well, this is common on every system. That is why I'm starting the lecture with it. This is the normal Notepad. When you write your code here, you save it on your system, then you run it. Now, how do you run? To run the code, you are going to open it on the browser. So you can use Chrome, you can use Opera, you can use Firefox. But for the sake of this tutorial, I'll be using Edge, Microsoft Edge. This is Edge. So anything you code with this, when you save it on your device, then you run it on the browser. Okay, let us start the journey. How do we set up the environment? That's what I want to explain now. To set up this environment, the first thing is to create a folder on your device. Just come to new, then create a new folder. You can put it in the desktop here, you can put it in documents, anywhere it will work. Okay, so let us call this, you just give it any name, www. Let's say HTML underscore tutorial.com. I'm only putting this underscore so that the text will be readable. If you write it as a word, it's going to work. If you put hyphen, it's going to work. If you put underscore, it's going to work. Now I've given my folder a name. So all the projects, all the files will be saved into this folder. Then open your text editor, write your code here, then save into this folder. Another thing you'll be needing is your image editor, in case you want to edit any image. The smallest one that will come with your device is called Paint. This is it. So when you click it, it will open, just as simple as this. This is the Paint. So you can use this to create image, you can use it to edit your image like cropping, resizing, and so on. Because in the web page, let us open the folder. The folder is empty, as you can see. The folder is empty. In this folder, you can put file that you create with this text editor. Another thing you can put is image. You can put image on web page. You can put audio. You can put video. Okay, now let us begin to write something. When you open this text editor, save the page into your folder. Save as. Okay, then we want to save our first file. Every first file of a web page is called index. So just write the name of the page as index. Okay, this is the name of the page. But when you save with this name, you can see the default setup is .txt. This txt is extension. When you save it directly, it's going to save with Notepad. Let me save it to see what is going to happen. If you open your folder, can you see you have index, and this is text editor. When you open it, it's going to open with text editor. It's going to open with that Notepad. Can you see? This is the page. Open with Notepad. So let me remove it. As you can see, now let us do that again. Save as. Like I said, you are going to save with index. Okay, now we have to add our extension to it. This is the name of the page. You know, like I said, you have a txt. If you say with doc, anytime you want to open it, it's going to open with Microsoft Word. If you say with .jpg, it's going to open in form of picture, or .jpeg, or .png, or GIF. If you say with .mp3, it's going to open with audio player. If you say with .mp4, it's going to open with video player. So if you want to open your page with browser, you save with .html. So this is the name of the page, index. The name of the file is index, and the extension is HTML. So any name you are saving, any folder you are, any file you are saving on your into your folder, make sure you put this .html at the back. That is HTML extension. Then when you save it, this is the page. Can you see the name? Then go back to your folder. You can see that it has changed to an icon because we saved with .html. So it's going to bring icon of your default browser. If your default browser is Chrome, it's going to bring icon of Chrome. If it is Mozilla Firefox, it will bring Mozilla. But my own is Microsoft Edge. That's why you are having this. Then when you double click or just open the file, you can see the size of the file is 0 kilobyte because we don't have anything into the text editor. Now as you can see, this is the page. The page is empty. Then look at this is the name of this is the directory of my system. Then this is the name of the folder where the file is located. Then this is the name of the file. I believe this is clear to us. Now let us go back to the page. Whatever you type here, let's say com. When you save this, then go back to your browser, refresh, then this com is going to display on the page. So that is how to set the environment. It's as simple as this. Thank you.